I'm Hema Balakrishna, the headmistress here at the Little PORTMAN, and today I'm thrilled to have this opportunity to share with you what makes our preschool truly special. Here at Little PORTMAN, we truly believe every child is an unique individual brimming with potential and curiosity. Our mission is simple yet profound: to provide nurturing and stimulating environment where each child can reach their full potential. What makes us different is our unwavering commitment to excellence in early childhood education. We follow a holistic approach that integrates with the latest research in child development with best practices in teaching and learning. Our curriculum is based on Early Years Foundation Stage (EYFS) and KSPK, which provide a solid foundation for your child's learning and development in key areas such as communication and language, physical development, and personal, social, emotional development. We believe fostering a love to learning that extends far beyond the classroom. Through a blend of play-based activities, hands-on exploration, and guided discovery, we ignite your child's natural curiosity and instill in them lifelong passion for learning. At Little PORTMAN, your child will not only excel academically, but also develop essential life skills like critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and collaboration. I'm confident that you will find Little PORTMAN to be the perfect place for your kids to learn, grow, and thrive. I look forward to welcoming you into a Little PORTMAN family and embark on this incredible journey together. Thank you and see you soon.